Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Here the question number 136. Conditioned air is to be mixed with the outside air. The ratio of the dry air mass flow rate of conditioned to outside air and the temperature of the mixture are to be determined. So according to the given conditions, firstly I will make a diagram to understand the question more easily. Two streams join the third one. 1, 2. Here the conditions are given. Conditions of one are 13 degrees centigrade while the relative humidity is 90%, while at 2 34-degree temperature and 40-degree relative humidity. Pressure is 1 atmospheric. We have to calculate the temperature T3 at the point 3, which is the exit point. So here we take the four assumptions. Steady operating condition exists. Second one, dry air and water vapors are ideal gases. Third one, kinetic and potential energy changes are negligible. And the fourth one, the mixing chamber is adiabatic. The properties of each inlet stream are determined from the psychometric chart, according to which H1 is equal to 34.3 kilojoule per kilogram of dry air. Specific humidity is 0.0084. Similarly, H2 is equal to 68.5 kilojoule per kilogram of dry air and specific humidity is 0.0134 kilogram of water per kilogram of dry air. The ratio of dry air mass flow rate of the conditioned air to be the outside air can be determined from m dot a1 over m dot a2 is equal to W2 minus W3 over W3 minus W1. Similarly, enthalpy relation H2 minus H3 over H3 minus H1. But the state 3 is not completely specified because all the concerned parameters are not given. However, we know that state 3 is on the straight line connecting the state 1 and state 2 on the psychometric chart. At the intersection point of this line, relative humidity 60% line we read. So, at relative humidity of 60% line, we will get T3 is equal to 23.5 degrees centigrade and specific humidity W3 is equal to 0.0109 kilogram of water per kilogram of dry air and enthalpy at point 3 is 51.3 kilojoule per kilogram of dry air. After that, as this was the part B option, now coming towards the part A. Therefore, the mixture will leave at 23.5 degrees centigrade as we calculated here. The ratio of M1A and the M2A is determined by substituting the specific humidity or enthalpy values in the above relation. So, M dot A1 over M dot A2 is equal to 0.0134 minus 0.0109 divisible by 0.0109 minus 0.0084, and when we calculate the answer it comes out 1. Therefore, the mass flow rate of each stream must be mass flow rate of each stream must be same is same. Thank you.